Hello.
How are you today?
I'm great.
That's good. What have you been doing?
I just studied at home.
Okay, that's good. What did you study? Did you learn anything interesting?
No, just math.
It's maths. Okay, and do you like maths?
I'm okay with it.
Sorry?
I'm okay with it.
Okay, yeah, that's good. At least you don't hate it, right? I used to hate it, and then when I got to high school, I really enjoyed it. Started enjoying it, and I actually did pretty good. I got into science, like a science degree. It did good. Okay, are you ready to start the debate today? Very good. Okay, so what we are going to look at today, we're first going to look at some of the vocabulary, and then some, what do you call it? Some syntax and some grammar stuff. Okay, so first, I think let's first look at that, and then we can look at the debate itself. Okay, good. So, you know what extinct means, right?
Yeah, I actually don't have anything I don't know in this class. But we can also check.
Okay. Well, let's go to the lexicon. Not a lexicon. The what do you call it? Sorry, I'm a little bit sick, so my brain is all over the place. Let's look at the syntax patterns. Did you have a look at that one or not?
I had a look at that one.
Okay. Do you want to do it?
I guess if we don't have enough time, then we can just skip it. But if we have enough time to do that, we can continue with it.
Okay. You know what? Let's first do the debate, and then if we have time, then we can come back to the syntax. Okay, is that fine with you?
Yeah.
Okay, good. Okay, so how do you feel about this week's debate topic?
I feel okay. I don't quite have a side that I pick. I just go with what side I'm gonna. So I don't have a side yet. Like I don't choose no or yes. I'm just going with what the class tells me to be on which side.
Okay, so let's be on both sides, like we always do. Okay, so first of all, what do you think? Let's start, which one do you want to do first? Do you want to start with yes or no?
Let's start for yes, because the yes is the first one.
Okay, good. Okay, do you know any examples of, before we start, do you know any examples from animals that were brought back? Or like any let me try to think. So I know there's the dire wolf. Have you heard of a dire wolf?
No, and I have no idea what in the world, I have no idea what scientists have revived and what they haven't. I only know Jurassic Park, which is fake.
Okay, good, yes. Okay, so the dire wolf, so they announced the creation of 3 genetically engineered wolf pups, okay? Romulus, Remus, and Khaleesi, designed to mimic the extinct dire wolf. Okay.
Okay.
So they did edits on 14 genes in the grey wolf cells, okay, rather than directly cloning an authentic dire wolf. Okay, so let me show you. These were the pups, okay, and this is what they look like. But the dire wolf is a very, very big wolf, okay? So it's like it's bigger than a normal wolf.
A huge white wolf?
Yes, yes. So let me show you. Yeah, so this is let me show you. Where is it?
Alright.
Okay. Sorry, it takes forever to load. Okay, I think, yeah. So the first one is an arc dire wolf, and the other one is a real one. Yeah.
Oh, so the fake one is so the fake one is much bigger than the small one.
I don't think these are the fake ones. I think. Let me show you. Okay, so I think that was another species of direwolf. So here is okay. So here you can see this is a human. Okay, 6 feet tall. Okay, so the husky is around 2.1 feet. The grey wolf is bigger or taller, and then the dire wolf is like 3.5. I can't see what that is. Okay, but it's a really big wolf. Okay, that's all that matters. Okay, yeah. So I saw this and I thought it was very, very interesting because. I saw that they brought back the dire wolf. It's not exactly like bringing it back to life.
Wait.
Okay, good. Okay, here you can see this.
Wait, is the dire wolf black or is it white?
I think it comes in different colors, but I just know that the ones that they genetically bred was white. Good. That makes sense?
Yeah.
Okay, good. Yeah. So that's one example that I can immediately think of. I've read it somewhere, I think last year or something. So, yeah, but let's see. What do you have any of your own reasons before we look at the reasons for yes side? Or should we just look at?
No, we can just look at the class.
Okay. So let's see. Number 1, humans should repair the damage we caused. Okay. So you can read the argument.
Many species became extinct because of hunting, deforestation, and other human activities. Although we cannot completely undo the past, the extinction could help us repair some of the damage we caused. Humans have a responsibility to restore what they destroyed. Revived animals could restore damaged ecosystems. Okay.
Let's first look at the first one. Okay, so I don't have any counter arguments. Okay, so this is the only one for number 1. Okay, so this argument says that humans should restore what we destroyed. Okay, so what animals do you think we have destroyed over the years?
Probably the dodo bird. I know two parrot species that have green and blue and yellow and orange and red. I think I also know I think the woolly mammoth partly went extinct because we hunt them too. And I think there's also, I think there's a type of wolf, or is it a dog? Maybe it's the Tasmanian tiger. So they're hunted for their skin or something, their fur or something, and they were hunted. They were being hunted so much that after like a few years, probably, there's only one left, and then the one left, because there's only one that is a female, it can make babies, but the problem is it doesn't have a husband, so it died without having babies, and it went extinct.
Yeah, that's very sad, right? And how do you feel about fish? Do you feel that we overfish?
Yes, sometimes we overfish. I know, a fish named the coelacanth. I think it lives between the midnight zone and the twilight zone. And I think once people thought they went extinct, maybe it's because a lot of people fish them, or they just almost went extinct on their own. But then they came back, and then I got this one from the bath bomb.
Okay, that's pretty cool. Okay, so did you get like in the same packet as a bath bomb, or like
what?
was it like okay? So did you get it in a bath bomb?
Yes,
like
I got it.
The packet, right?
Yeah, I got it in the
Yeah, that's
bath
pretty
bomb.
cool.
Yeah, I thought a fish that looked so like a fish couldn't survive down there, but I guess it can.
Okay, good. Oh, good. That was pretty good. Yeah, I think that I do agree with this one. I think that humans should prepare, but I don't know. Things happen for a reason, right? Okay, but let's go on to number 2. Okay.
Revived animals could restore damaged ecosystems. Some extinct animals play an important role in maintaining their environments. For example, mammoths may help pack down snow and keep Arctic ground frozen, bringing back species that supported their ecosystems could have a positive effect on the environment.
Good, good. Okay, and how do you feel about that one?
I think I agree with that one.
Okay, so do you know of any ecosystems that a revived animal could help restore?
I think if we revive the Tasmanian tiger, maybe it can hunt some rabbits in a place where there are too many pests in a farm, and they keep eating cabbage and stuff that farms farm.
Very good. Yes. Okay, that's a good one. Okay, and yeah, I'm trying to think of another one as well, but I don't think that I know of any ecosystem specifically. Okay, that's good. Okay, and let's do number 3. The technology could save endangered species.
The extinction research can improve cloning, genetic engineering, and reproductive technology. These scientific advances could help endangered animals reproduce and survive. Therefore, the research may prevent future extinctions as well as reverse past ones.
Very good. Okay, do you think that's a good point?
Yeah, I think that's a good point.
and if you so let's say that you get this technology, right? Which animals do you think should be saved first? And what should we do to save the animals?
I think
Should we look at the ones that are nearest at extinction, or what do you think?
I think we should save. I think we should save the ones that are nearest at extinction first, because it will take a lot of time to save something that's to revive something that's already extinct. And while we're doing that, we also need to do something about endangered animals today, like the African gray parrots, or else some wonderful creatures like the African gray parrots might go extinct as well. If we know we did something wrong, we don't need to. If we can't make it right again, we could also try to do better right now. So I'm thinking we should protect the endangered animals first, or else they might go extinct when we finally revive like a woolly mammoth.
Yes. Okay. Good. Yes. So I live in South Africa, obviously, and we are slowly busy with stopping rhino poaching. So it was hectic a few years ago, but I think that anti-poaching units and stuff really helped stop poaching of rhinos. Okay, so I think we are slowly turning that around. Have you heard of the rhinos being almost extinction, almost nearing extinction?
No, but I know there's a species of black rhino.
Yes. So you get black rhinos and white rhinos. Okay, good. And so they are poached for their horns. So many wildlife people who wanted to stop the poaching, they removed the rhino's horns before they could get poached. So when there's a poacher, right, they shoot and kill the rhino and then cut off its horn. But when we remove the horn beforehand, the rhino still lives. Does that make sense?
Yes.
Okay, good. Well, how do you feel about that? Removing its horn just not to get poached.
I think that's cruel because it killed something. Maybe you can farm rhinos and you don't kill them immediately. You farm them, and then maybe you steal some kids from the rhino, and you raise the rhino, and you raise the kids, and then the kids will think you're their mom, so they won't attack you. And then when they grow up, you can remove the horns little by little. If you just kill them and remove their horns, first it's going to be there might be blood on it, and it won't be completely white, and that will look kind of scary. And second, that you also killed something. So you can just cut the horns down so that first, if it really attacked someone, it won't cut a hole in someone's chest or something. It will just hit the person and then send the person flying.
Okay. Okay, good. Okay, let's get back to the fourth one. Okay, how would you rate the first? Do you think they are good?
Yeah, I think that's I agree.
Okay, so they are a good, free pair of good ones, okay? So let's look at the fourth one, because there's only 4 here, and then we can see which ones you want to use in the debate, okay? So it could expand scientific knowledge. Okay, you can read this here.
Studying extinct animals could teach us more about the genetics, evolution, disease, and environmental change. Although the projects would be challenging, the knowledge gained could benefit both wildlife and humanity. Major scientific progress often begins with an ambitious experiments.
Very good, okay, and do you agree?
Yes, I agree, but I still think that life is more important than knowledge, but this is also good because you're reviving something and learning it, not shooting an arrow at it and studying it, so that's good.
Yes, I agree. Okay, good. Okay, let's look at some counter arguments, okay, and some rebuttals, okay, for the yes side. Okay, so let's see. Okay, humans should repair the damage we caused. Okay, so the argument was many species became extinct because of hunting, deforestation, and other human activities. The extinction would allow humanity to repair some of this damage. Okay, so what the no side would be, they would say, maybe they would give a counter argument and say, bringing back animals cannot erase what happened in the past. Okay, and then the rebuttal, it could be, it cannot change the past, but it could improve the future. Although we cannot completely undo the damage, we still have the responsibility to repair as much of it as possible. Okay, so I think this is a strong one, and this is a strong one, and this is a weak one. What do you think?
Yeah, I agree with you.
Very good. Okay, so how much out of 10 would you give number 1?
Probably a 9 for the rebuttal being pretty strong.
Okay, good. Okay, so 9 out of 10. Okay, let's quickly look at number 2. Revived animals could restore damaged ecosystems. Okay, so the argument is some extinct animals helped maintain healthy ecosystems. Bringing them back could restore lost ecological relationships and improved damaged environments. Okay, so the opposing side, the counter argument, might be modern ecosystems have changed, so these animals may cause more harm than they would do good. I agree with the counter argument. Okay, and then the rebuttal. Scientists would not release animals without careful research and controlled trials. Bringing back species that can safely support an ecosystem could have a positive effect on the environment. Yeah, what do you think?
I think I agree.
With which side?
I think I agree with both sides because it can't. You can't fully know what this animal would do. You can't read their minds, especially when you didn't even revive them yet. But you can also bring back harmless ones that won't eat you. So I agree with both sides.
Very good. How much out of 10?
Probably an 8.
Very good. Okay, let's look at the third one, okay? That technology could save endangered species. I think that is a good one as well. Okay. So the argument was de-extinction research develops cloning, genetic engineering, and reproductive technology. How do you feel about cloning?
I think
Do you know that one sheep that was cloned? Her name was Dolly. Do you know that?
I don't know.
Okay, so there was a sheep that they cloned, like maybe like 20 years ago. That was like the first animal that was cloned. Yeah, it's pretty cool. Okay, let's go on. So these scientific advances could help endangered animals reproduce and survive. Okay, so the counter-argument might be scientists should work directly with endangered animals instead. Okay, and a rebuttal could be the two goals are connected. The same technology developed for de-extinction can be used to increase genetic diversity and prevent living species from becoming extinct. What do you think of that?
I think I agree with that. I think I also strongly agree with the opposing side, and I also agree with the rebuttal and the argument, but because I agree with the opposing side more, and this is supposed to be we're on the yes side, I think I'm gonna give it probably like an 8 as well.
Very good, okay. And let's look at the fourth one. It could expand scientific knowledge, okay? So the argument is studying extinct animals could teach us more about genetics, evolution, disease, and environmental changes. This knowledge could benefit wildlife and humanity. Okay? The counter-argument is scientific curiosity does not justify risking animals' lives. Okay, that's a good one. Rebuttal, strict welfare rules can reduce unnecessary suffering. Just because research involves some risk doesn't mean it has no value or should never be attempted. Also good. Okay. What do you think?
I think I'm gonna give it probably a 9.
Okay, good. Okay, so we've got 2 8s and 2 9s. Okay, good. Okay, so let's do the yes side of the debate. Okay, I'm going to make this smaller so you can see all 4. Okay, and are you ready?
Yep.
Okay, good. Okay, you can go.
Yes, we should bring back extinct species because humans should repair the damage we've caused. If we don't, we have caused a lot of trouble for the animals, and we shouldn't harm them more, so we should revive the animals as an apology for nature. And even if we can't fully revive every single extinct animal, we can also do our best and try to revive at least some. Or if we can't even revive at least some, then we can just basically find other ways to revive them.
Very good. Okay. Are you finished?
Yep.
Okay, good. That was really good. Okay. Good. Now let's look at the no side. Okay. Do you have any questions or anything?
No, I don't.
Okay, good. Okay, good. You did really good. Okay, so the no side. What do you think are some good no sides before we start?
Probably number 1, number 2, and I can't see number 4, so I'm just gonna. Well, then I would still choose number 1 and number 2.
Okay, good. Now let's do number 1, okay? So, revived animals may suffer. Okay, you can read this here.
The natural habitats, food sources, and social groups of many extinct animals are long gone. A revived animal might spend its life in captivity or struggle to survive in the modern world. Just because we can bring an animal back doesn't mean we can give it a healthy and natural life. And I want to add something. So furthermore, some scientists claim that genes can only last for a limited time. So if animals that lived for too long of a time, that lived longer than the time that the genes don't die out, we can't be able to connect the genes again and make them and revive them like that. So we can only revive animals that went extinct not long ago, and because yeah, that's all probably. So yeah.
Okay, good. Yeah, that was really good. Okay, good job. Okay, let's look at the opposing side. Okay, scientists could create protected habitats for them. Okay, and the rebuttal would be a protected enclosure cannot fully recreate a lost ecosystem or teach an animal natural behavior. Just because we can bring an animal back doesn't mean we can give it a healthy and natural life. So I would say, what if we bring this animal back, but we can't mimic the conditions that it was used to? Like, for instance, let's say we bring back a species that lived in somewhere icy, like Antarctica or something like that. There's global warming now more than ever. So would we just bring it back just so that it can become extinct again? Okay. What do you think about that?
I think I agree with that.
Okay, good. Yes, okay, good. So let's look at number 2. Okay, they could damage modern ecosystems. Okay, we can read the argument.
Okay. Ecosystems have changed since these animals disappeared. Revived species might become invasive, compete with living animals, carry diseases, or damage existing habitats. Now, this is what caused dodo birds to go extinct, because some people on a ship put some animals that shouldn't be on the island they were in their place, and they died. Introducing them could do more harm than good. So yes, I strongly agree with this, even if there's no rebuttal.
Good. Okay. So do you know what the word invasive means?
Yeah, I know.
Okay, good. Okay. I was just checking. Okay, good. Now let's look at, there's a rebuttal here, okay? So the opposing side may say scientists could study the animals before releasing them. And then the rebuttal would be laboratory tests cannot predict every interaction in a complex ecosystem. I think that is very true. Once a species has been released and begins reproducing, the damage may be extremely difficult to reverse. Okay, do you agree with that?
Yes, I agree with both. I'm thinking that I'll give this probably a how about a 7 because I actually kind of agree with the opposite side a little bit more.
Okay, good. Okay, let's go back to number 1. How much out of 10 would you give that one?
I would give that a 9, probably. Yeah, probably a 9.
No. 9 out of 10. Okay, good. Before we continue, right, I just wanted to make 100% sure. Are you fine with the patterns? Like the sentence patterns?
Yeah, I'm fine.
Because I know your parents asked that I specifically look at this. So if you're fine with it, we can just continue. I gotta see, we have got like 8 minutes left. Okay. So, yeah, okay, good. Okay, so do you want to do 3 or 4 first? Just so that we can make, if there's time, we can do both, but which one would you like to do first?
I like to do 4. I think I don't really agree with number 3 because I think that the thing about money, so money isn't like more important than having a life or having a home. So if you don't have a home and you have a lot of money, you would be sad. Even if you're rich, you'd still be sad because no one's here to be like, oh, I'm so proud of you, you're rich, or anything. So I think that money can't fix it. I think money can't fix everything, and I think that in the future we should probably consider just protecting animals without money, and without spending money, I think that I don't think that I agree with 3. So let's do 4.
Okay, I kind of agree with number 3. I think that if you used all of the money that's spent on the extinction and you invest that in like campaigns and stuff that would protect endangered species even more, I think that might work as well, but I think there should be money for both of them. Okay, but good. Let's do number 4. Okay, so the results would be uncertain and imperfect. Okay, can you read this here?
Okay, scientists may not be able to recreate a truly identical extinct animal. Take the dire wolf as an example, because ancient DNA is often damaged or incomplete. Like I said, the result might be a genetically modified relative rather than the original species. Although the experiment might be considered a scientific feat, it would not necessarily represent genuine de-extinction. We can only make something similar.
Yes, good. Okay, let's look quickly at the opposing side. So the animal does not need to be genetically identical if it can perform the same ecological role. But that is not a good thing because there's no ecological role being filled by it right now. So You understand what I'm saying?
Yep.
Okay. And then rebuttal is its appearance does not guarantee that it will behave like the original species or perform the same role. Although the animal might resemble an extinct species, it should not automatically be considered a successful revival. Okay, what do you think?
I think I agree with the rebuttal more than the opposing side because if you think about it, if you have a pet and the only thing you do with your pet isn't play with it, but just making it for example, if you have a dog, like if you get a dog that is not supposed to be a guard dog, like the husky, and you just keep trying to force it to be a guard dog, it won't work out, and the dog would be scared. So I don't think that doing tasks for humans is the first thing that the animal should do if they are revived. So I think they should roam in the wild and not like go and carry some hay, go and carry some tape, go and make some milk.
Okay, good. Okay, so let's, I 100% agree with you. Okay, let's quickly do the no side debate. You can start.
Okay, so I think that we shouldn't bring back extinct species because they could damage modern ecosystems. If we, for example, if we revive a animal that a carnivorous animal that lives in the forest, it might eat other animals, like panthers. Okay, maybe not panthers, but it might eat other animals that are near extinction, and you'll just make animals that were not supposed to be extinct anyways. So you revive one and you lose one. That's basically the same as you don't revive one and you have one. Because you still have one.
Okay, good. Yeah, like bringing one back means like letting another one die. Okay, good. Yeah, that's a good one. Okay, good. I think that the no side might be stronger. I think so. But this was really good. Okay, tell me, do you have any questions for me?
Nope.
Okay, good. Okay, and tell me, what are your plans for the rest of the day?
Probably going to dinner and have another class.
Okay, that's cool. What other classes are you going to have?
I'm going to have a class
Like a
with
math
Sarah.
class?
I'm going to have a class with Sarah that's mostly about grammar and science, but not about debate science, just science.
Okay, that's cool. Okay, well, enjoy it, and I will see you in our next class. If you have any questions, you can always just message me, and I will reply. Okay, good. Okay, thank you so much. Enjoy the rest of your day. It was a really great debate.
Okay.
Thank you. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Okay, thank you.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
See you.
Bye-bye.